Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie veg. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 medium apples, peeled, cored, and sliced to about 1/4 inch thick. For the filling, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Don't forget your pie crust. A good vegan option is key for this recipe. Now, let's get that delicious filling ready. In a large bowl, gently toss your sliced apples with the sugar, flour, and cinnamon mixture. To brighten the flavors and keep the apples from browning, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything well until each apple slice is beautifully coated. This step ensures a perfectly spiced and thickened filling. With your filling prepared, it's time to assemble the pie. Roll out 1 vegan pie crust and carefully fit it into a 9-inch pie dish. Pour the apple mixture evenly into the crust. Then, place the second pie crust over the top, crimping the edges to seal. Don't forget to cut a few small vents in the top crust for steam to escape during baking. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for 35 to 45 minutes, or until golden brown. Let it cool for at least 2 hours before serving. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.